Well, I'm just here charging and discharging different batteries here. I just got done charging battery. Geez, that's kind of strange. Oh no, that's alright. Battery C here. It's holding pretty good at 14 volts. I haven't started the load tester yet. I'm going to bring that down to 80, same as the rest of them there. Battery A is down to 79 at 3.3 volts. Battery B is down to 80% at 3.3 volts. Battery D is down to 80% at 3.3 volts. So I'm about ready to bring battery C down to 80% also. I just got done charging it. But I decided to start putting some ferrules on my wires. Let's see if I'm in the shot here. Yeah. See, these wires, they're 10 gauge multi-strand wires. They're great for flexibility and stuff, but when you're trying to put them into these terminal blocks, you see, all it is a screw. I think these terminal blocks are made for solid wire, because all it is a set screw goes in, and when it hits the stranded wire, it just spreads it, and I think probably only about 50% of that wire is actually being crimped or held, as you can see by this wire here. Has less strands. I think it's only 7, so that's not so bad. It's more the multi-strand. So I have what's called a ferrule kit. I bought it quite a while ago, and luckily it's good for all the way up to number 10. Or no, that's number 12. This is number 10. So it's good all the way up to number 10. It goes way down. I'm not sure what size that is, but it's quite small, maybe 22 gauge or something. I mainly bought it for my other projects where I have really thin wire and stuff, and putting them under terminal blocks. So here's the tool you use for it, and well, I did have one kicking around here somewhere. So you just, usually what to do, am I in the shot here? Yeah, okay. So you just take your wire. You can twist if you want, but it's better not to. It's actually better if it's just been stripped, to be honest with you. And you just slip it on there like that. It's nice to have a little bit sticking out. That way there you know it's all the way through. So you give it a crimp, and then if you look at it, it has 4 sides to it the way it was crimped. The compression compresses it on 4 sides. So now, let's see. I'm not going to be charging anymore, but you put it in there now, and when it grabs, it's going to grab on the ferrule, and all the single conductors of the stranded wire are all crimped in there, as you can see, and that holds it all together. So I already did to this one here. It's I mainly want for these ones here, but I'm not sure what I want to do with this one. I might just do a plug connector again like I did there. So I'm not going to put a ferrule on something unless I know what I'm going to do with it. So this here, these are from the chargers, and it just has one of those, I forget what those are called, but it's you can pull it apart. So yeah, these were rings, and I just cut them so I can slide them up there, slide it in and tighten it up, and then I'll just shove that in, tighten it up, and that'll be done. I was going to put terminal blocks here, and I just don't know if I'm going to do it. But yeah, this is going to be just a short video showing ferrules and how to crimp a ferrule. I use them a lot. I'm an industrial electrician. I use them a lot to terminate PLCs, programmable logic controllers, that have many wires, and we want a good connection, so this is what we use. Cheers.